Okay, let's check it out. Mike's working away here on the passenger side now of this 76 Chevy pickup. He's got the back cab corner off. He's got the floor support brace off. He's got the outer rocker off. Doing a fine job. Cut what? Cut and weld, right? Cut and weld. That's what you do. Here we go. You can see the driver's side there. New support brace. Rocker's all done. Inner rocker support brace. Inner cab corner. Outer cab corner. Made the piece up in here. Alright, fix the rust back in there. Driver's side's good. It's fitted the door. Ready to rock and roll. Now, we're on to the Caddy. The Caddy is on its way out tomorrow, so it's going to be going somewhere else. Whether we see it or not, I don't know again. I know a lot of times you never see the finished product. So it's going for somebody else for wiring and stuff like that, which is fine. But there it is. I got her all together today. Well, I got as much as I could together, as much as he had here for it. Yeah. I got the fake Continental kit on the back there. What do I mean by fake? There's no tire in it. He just popped this lid open and opened the trunk up and it lifts up and there you go. Just a fake. Now whether that's original or aftermarket or it's some custom thing you could buy in the day, that I do not know. I just know that it's not got a tire in it. So I'm just actually loading all the parts and pieces up that were laying in the car, putting those back inside the car neatly and wrapping them all up so they don't hit anything. And I do believe right now it's going to go get the engine and transmission set in it. Like I said, he's putting a 6-liter in it, and I think they're going to do a drive shaft, and then I believe they're going to wire it. But he still has to go through brakes, gas tank, fuel system, all that stuff. But I think after that he's just going to take a break on it for a while, as far as I'm aware. But there you go, one Caddy done. Big car. Big car. Really big. How many times can I say big? Not enough. Oh, shoebox, waiting for Sunday fun day. Gonna go pick up the T-frame. Painted it last night. Gonna be going to grab that. So I'll get that home here. And yeah, this truck cab, picking up the frame for that tomorrow too. It's all been blasted. We got it painted too. We got it painted. Here's some parts we painted up for it. Got the leaf springs all painted up. The purchase. Start working our way on that stuff. And yeah, now we're gonna start. I think I'm gonna go put some shocks on the. I'm gonna go put some shocks on the Falcon in there, and then I'm gonna start taking this 07 apart. I think. I'll get back to you in a bit and we'll see. Okay, so I got the frame back home. There's all the leaf springs, as you had seen. And I got the frame back home for the 76, for the 76 short box 4x4. Blasted and painted. Just went with a nice satin black. Good paint. If you're wondering what kind of paint this is on the frame, this is just Endura. Endura is a very high grade paint. Started out where Endura, they were using it on planes, boats, and then it became popular for semis, and then some people paint their cars with it now actually. If you remember the Buick, the race car kind of thing we did here not long ago, that was Endura. But I don't recommend it for cars on the outside, just me personally, but I totally recommend it for frames. And then come around here, we got the other frame that we painted just with our good old single stage black paint, obviously for the T-bucket. And with talking about the T-bucket, Sean, like I said, is working away on the box for that one. We'll go look at that. But before we look at that, remember the 07? Well, here, I've been working on that today too. So I've got the mirrors off, I got the fender flares off, no rust. We're replacing the rocker like I told you down there. No rust on this side, lucky. I got tail lights off, I got tailgate off, I got gas door off. This side rusted. See, and that's what these flares do. They sit in there, whether you believe it or not, the dirt and shit gets trapped up in there. Like here is the mud and dirt out of the front one alone. And speaking of the front one, no rust, we're lucky. But you can see it was starting to, paint was coming back, starting to surface rust. Mirrors off this side, 25 emblems off. I say the gas doors off. You know, you got to take all the door panels off to get all the mirror wiring out. Obviously, now I still got to do more. I still got to get these off here, but I'm not dealing with that right now at the moment. The hood's going to be coming off, but I can't do that because the truck's sitting outside right now, so I don't want to get the engine wet. Headlights and park lights are off. So yeah, so I've been working on that. Sean's working away on the he's working on the Falcon doors over here and the Model T box. There's the Falcon doors.
Falcon doors.
Yeah, that's right. He's got to get those all stripped and sanded down and bodyworked on the inside. He's got the Model T box here, working away. Yeah, looking good. Of course, we got the Falcon back. Yeah, little Falcon back there. I got the hood for the 72, waiting to get primered tomorrow probably. Everything's good there. And speaking of that, not that cab, but what am I looking for here? The other cab that Mike's working on. For the frame that you see over there, the 76. All these goddamn trucks. But hey, they're not bad. I like working on trucks. I like building trucks. This is when you build a truck. When you build a truck at the shop, it takes up 2 bays. One for the box, a frame, one for the cab. When you do a car, you're kind of just, the car is kind of all in one bay. So they take up more room, but that's okay. So we got, let's say he's got the driver's side here all done, finished. What, you need me?
No.
Oh, okay. So, oh.
On the other side of the room.
Perfect. Okay. So, yeah, okay. On the trunk. Okay, driver's side is there done. He's onto the passenger side. He's already done the cab support. He's got the inner rocker on. He's just, you can see he's got all the holes drilled to plug weld the outer rocker now, which he'll do tomorrow. And then he'll put the cab corner on. So yeah, if he's not done that tomorrow, he'll be done for sure Monday. But it should be all good. So that's it. That's all I got to show you for now. It's a Thursday. You probably won't see or hear from me until Friday now. And on Friday, I better grab this clip that Sean put here before I forget. Right there. Door handle clips, you know these things. You go to take them off the door handles, and the suckers spring across the room like a son of a bitch. But anyway, you'll be seeing me Sunday while we're on the shoebox. I'm hoping this Sunday that we can. Obviously, this should get done for sure. If it don't, something's wrong. And then we are going to start to tackle the trunk. Where I'm going to go with the trunk yet, I don't know. But wherever I go, you will be there to see it. All right. So, with that being said, whatever day it is for you guys, Thursday for me right now in this video. Hey, it's Friday tomorrow, so you guys enjoy your weekend. I'll see you Sunday, and that's it.